Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The renowned German automaker is making a major entry into the luxury recreational vehicle market with the 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome. A thorough description of this potential vehicle is made possible by well-informed projections based on BMW's design philosophy and dedication to luxury experiences, even though specifics are still pending formal unveiling. The 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome's exterior design is anticipated to combine elegant elegance with aerodynamic efficiency in a cohesive manner. The motorhome would probably have integrated lighting signatures, smooth, flowing lines, and careful attention to panel gaps and material quality, all of which are influenced by BMW's modern design language. The body would probably be made of strong, lightweight materials, with the possibility of adding carbon fiber components to maximize structural integrity and fuel efficiency. A sleek shape and wide-ranging vistas would be provided by flush-fitting panoramic windows. Its provenance would be clearly identified by subtle badging and distinctive BMW design features, such the Hofmeister kink incorporated into a well-thought-out rear section. The interior of the 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome would be a haven of upscale comfort and cutting-edge technology. Premium natural materials like fine leathers, hardwoods from sustainable sources, and custom fabrics would be used throughout the living area to create an atmosphere of subtle elegance. Modular furniture and flexible living spaces might be included in the cleverly planned arrangement, which would optimize both utility and spatial efficiency. Modern kitchens with top-of-the-line appliances that blend in well with the decor would accommodate people who enjoy cooking on the go. The 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome would prioritize technological integration. Anticipate a full range of intelligent driving assistance systems that will improve convenience and safety thanks to BMW's developments in autonomous driving technology. Modern infotainment systems that blend in perfectly with the cabin design would offer simple control over entertainment, navigation, and car settings. In order to keep residents smoothly connected to the digital world, connectivity would be a top priority. Additionally, cutting-edge approaches to ambient lighting, climate control, and energy management would add to an unmatched degree of comfort and ease. The 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome's drivetrain would probably make use of the company's experience with strong, effective engines, maybe adding hybrid or all-electric choices to better suit changing environmental goals. As is typical of the BMW brand, the driving dynamics would be designed to deliver a seamless, elegant, and assured experience. In order to guarantee both agile handling and comfortable long-distance driving, the chassis and suspension systems would be carefully adjusted. To sum up, the 2026 BMW High-Class Motorhome is expected to be a revolutionary car that completely reimagines what mobile luxury means. A sophisticated customer looking for an extraordinary travel experience that goes beyond traditional bounds would be served by this motorhome's seamless integration of BMW's iconic design, state-of-the-art technology, and a dedication to unmatched comfort. It is a harmonious combination of the freedom of mobile living and the excellence of automobiles.